Welcome to Color Studio. In this video, I will show you how to edit urban black and orange presets in Lightroom Mobile. Let's see before and after editing. First, go to Light. Exposure down -0.20. +50 for contrast. Highlights down -22. Shadows to +46. And white down -80. Black +60. Go to Curve. Follow these steps. Next, go to Color. Temp +12. Tint +16. And 50 Vibrance Saturation down -10. Go to Color Mix. First, go to Red color. Hue -14 and saturation down -50 and luminance +40. Next, go to Orange color. Hue -10 and saturation down -22. Luminance +26. Next, go to Yellow color. Hue down -100. Saturation down -30, and luminance +26. to green color. Hue 0. Saturation down -100. Light blue color, purple color, pink color, all saturation down -100. Next, go to Effect, +28 for texture, clarity +60, and +10 for dehaze. Now go to Details, Sharpening +20, and Noise Reduction +9. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Color Studio, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.